Alright, everyone, let's tackle puzzle 1 around the world. Before we solve anything, let's just read what it says. Oh my, I seem to have lost board game pieces in my travels. If you figure out the connections, you will find the trigger I left behind. Okay, so someone went traveling around the world and lost board game pieces along the way. And they're saying if you figure out the connections, you will find the trigger they left behind. Interesting. Let's look at what we are actually given. So look, we have 12 images total around this circle. Half of them are photos of real places in the world. The other half are photos of board games. And here's the cool thing. Every single place shown here is also the name of a board game. Jamaica, there is a board game called Jamaica. Santorini, board game. Carcassonne, board game. Las Vegas, board game. Taj Mahal, board game. Sagrada Familia, board game called Sagrada. So the puzzle is telling us connect each place photo to its matching board game photo. Draw a line between them straight across the circle, and those lines are going to pass through the letters sitting inside the circle. Now, here's the important thing. What happens to the letters? When I draw a line from Jamaica all the way across to Jamaica, the board game, that line slices right through the middle of the circle. And whatever letters it passes through, those get crossed out. They are gone, eliminated. Now I do this for all six pairs, six lines, each one crossing out more and more letters. Some letters will get hit by a line. Those turn green in the puzzle. They are crossed out. Some letters will not get hit by any line. Those stay red. They survived. And the puzzle told us exactly what to do with the survivors. The flavor text called them the trigger left behind. So here you can see the six lines, the six connections. And now we are going to look at what's left. I'm ignoring every green letter now. Those are dead, eliminated, crossed out by our lines. I'm only looking at the red letters and I'm going to read them from top to bottom, left to right, just like reading a page. So the red letters spell out the blue mosque city. Which city in the world is literally called the city of the blue mosque? That's Istanbul, Turkey. The blue mosque is one of the Istanbul's most iconic landmarks. So our final answer is Istanbul. Now let's go back to the flavor text because it's actually beautifully written once you understand what happened. So here we have three phrases, and the first phrase is lost board game pieces. That shows the scattered letters across the circle. Those are the pieces dropped while traveling. Next phrase is figure out the connections. Those are basically the place to board game pairs. Next, the third phrase is trigger I left behind. Those are the red letters, no line touched. Basically, the letters left behind, and those spell the blue mosque city. So the puzzle's flavor text is the instruction disguised as a story. Every word in it is a hint. Nothing is decoration. And finally, why Istanbul? Why not just say Blue Mosque? Because this whole puzzle has one consistent theme running through it. Every location in this puzzle is also a board game. So let's recap everything in 30 seconds. You saw 12 images around a circle, 6 places, 6 board games with the same names. You drew lines connecting each place to its board game. Those lines crossed out letters inside the circle, those went green. The letters no line touched, they stayed red. You read those red letters to top to bottom and they spread Blue Mosque City. The Blue Mosque is in Istanbul. Istanbul is also a board game, so the answer fits the theme perfectly. It's a real place and a board game, just like every other element in this puzzle. So the final answer is Istanbul. The trigger left behind was Istanbul all along. Thank you.